Oh yeah. You get nature from your genes. Whoa. Nature is environmental and parents. Yeah, with a good home, life can be kind of fun. But psychologists think there's more to uncover. In some ways you just act from your genes, but in others it's the environment. You debate the best of both sides. They provide nature with twins, even when split at birth. You debate the best of both sides. Mix them both together and you'll figure out the best of both sides. The best of both sides. Yeah, you get your IQ from your parents. Whoa. And you work to your full potential. But sometimes your genes hold you back. It's not just your IQ you're exposed to. You can get past your limitations, but you're gonna have to work real hard. You debate the best of both sides. They provide nurture with adoption. Home life really takes a toll. Debate the best of both sides. Mix them both together and you know you got the best. You know the best of both worlds. Nature and nurture. You don't know which side is true. The best part is it's either you believe yeah, it's not proven. Can you prove it? Who would have thought a debate like this would ever really go this far? Debate the best of both sides. Could be nature and nurture. Who knows? You debate the best of both sides. Mix them both together. You know you got the best of both sides. Could be nature and nurture. Debate the best of both sides. Mix them both together. Oh yeah. You know you get best of both sides.